Save time by putting Stripe Payout Reconciliation process on autopilot. Nova Module offers a pre-built integration app that is feature-rich, scalable, and built on a leading iPaaS platform, Integrator.io. This built-for-NetSuite certified app helps eliminate manual effort and automatically reconciles NetSuite transactions to Stripe payouts that are recorded as bank deposits in NetSuite. Integration can be completed by our implementation engineers, a certified partner, or by self-implementation. A step-by-step implementation guide is provided to assist with the process and includes short videos or screenshots for reference. Let's take a closer look. The core functionality is to get payout or settlement data from Stripe and properly record it in NetSuite. Specifically, the integration app gets payout details from Stripe, then creates a summary payout record and a bank deposit record in NetSuite while matching payments, recording Stripe fees, and recording unmatched transactions in a suspense account. The integration app settings page allows setting the GL posting preferences, for example, a GL account to record fees, as well as a suspense account to record unknown transactions that can be investigated on a later date. The integration app checks Stripe for new payouts and records new payout data to NetSuite. In this particular example, the payout has a summary of all transactions, and it also itemizes transactions that make up the settlement batch. It has gross payment, refund, chargeback amounts, as well as Stripe fees and the net amount that is deposited in the bank. Let's switch over to NetSuite and review how the integration app records this deposit in NetSuite. First, it creates a custom record that provides a summary of the deposit. There are several sections: General, Charges, Refunds, Adjustments, Stripe fees, and Network costs. At the bottom, there's an actual deposit record that the integration app created. Let's review it in detail, as this is a GL impacting transaction. Typically, a deposit record in NetSuite lists payments received for existing transactions, funds not related to transaction payments, and any cash received back from the bank. They are recorded on a payments, other deposits, and cashback subtabs respectively. Specifically, the payments subtab lists payments posted to the undeposited funds account. These are the amounts for which the integration app did find matching customer payments previously recorded in NetSuite. One can think of them as reconciled transactions. The Other Deposits subtab lists amounts recorded to the undeposited funds account. These are the amounts for which the integration app could not find matching customer payments. One can think of them as unreconciled transactions. The Cashback subtab lists the amount of cashback received from this deposit. These can be Stripe transaction fees, network fees, etc. Pretty much any amount that Stripe kept for its service. Let's take a look at a Stripe payment for a recurring invoice as one of the examples. The payment from Stripe had been created and the transaction gross amount is posted to the undeposited funds GL account. It is best practice to post such payments to an undeposited funds account, as it represents amounts that have been charged by Stripe in this case, but not yet deposited to the bank account. This payment is later reconciled to the bank deposit record that this integration app recorded in NetSuite. It is evident that the unique transaction IDs match all across related transactions. That is, a unique charge ID and a payment intent ID. Associated Stripe fees are itemized and recorded under the Cashback subtab. They are posted to a specified GL account. In this case, the fee is posted to the Expense GL account. Also, if there is a Stripe payment transaction that has not been recorded in NetSuite, the integration app identifies it as such under the Other Deposits subtab as shown in this example. It gets posted to a Suspense GL account selected in the settings of the integration app. Any refund transaction that is not matched is recorded under the Cashback section 2 and posted to a Suspense GL account for further review. Here is a summary view of the GL impact that invoice, payment, and bank deposit records have. In NetSuite, when an invoice is created, AR is debited for $12 and sale is credited for $12. When a payment is created, undeposited funds is debited and AR is credited for the same amount. When a bank deposit is created, bank and Stripe fees are debited for $11.35 and 65 cents respectively, and undeposited funds is credited for $12. Allow Nova Module to take on the job of getting your integration up and running through a fully managed setup. We'll handle installation and configuration, provide first-hand support for testing and issue resolution. Contact our sales team at hello@novamodule.com or by phone at 415-323-0520 to get a quote. Why wait? Integrate now. You can find more information at novamodule.com.